Chinese Consulate said role of media is very significant for deeper Pakistan-China cooperation. He was expressing his views on the occasion of APNS delegation visit to Chinese Consulate in Karachi. APNS building bridges between media cooperation of both countries. Unfortunately, not many Pakistanis have visited China to this day, but we are working and remain hopeful to create more opportunities so our friends in Pakistan can visit China. And Yang Yundong, Consul General of People's Republic of China, he was hosting office bearers of All Pakistan Newspaper Society at the consulate. Today, we are happy to host you, all friends, at the consulate for Chinese dinner. And my heartiest greetings to Mr. Sarmad Ali on becoming the senator. Unfortunately, many Pakistanis have not visited China. We acknowledge Pakistan's support for China in all forums. It is the significance of our friendship. China is developing very fast, and the change is many at times a pleasant surprise for working diplomats of China when they travel back home. CG Yang. He further added, our focus must be on more exchanges between the media of both countries, and APNS can play a very positive role in bridging the gap. The second phase of CPEC is more important with focus on agriculture, industrial cooperation, and trade for increasing exports of Pakistan and benefiting the lives of people at grassroots level. The delegation of APNS was led by its Secretary General Senator Sarmad Ali Khan. While expressing his views, Mr. Sarmad said Pakistan is expecting to see investment in agriculture, mining, accommodation, and other sectors, and China is seen as a key element in it. Gwadar needs to be developed as a city in such the new airport will providing more opportunities in increasing connectivity. Development of land and hotels is also required in Gwadar. Some Chinese media have their office in Islamabad, like of People's Daily, Xinhua News Agency, and more presence is expected. Mr. Sarmat said, China has been a friend indeed for Pakistan. Chinese people have a special place for Pakistan in their heart, and they call us Iron Brother Bitai. I learned it on my last visit to China a few years back. As China is now the biggest manufacturer of electrical vehicles, it is progressing rapidly in cutting edge technology, and the second phase of CPEC will pay will play a pivotal role in Pakistan's success in exports and trade. The attendees included Deputy Consul General Mr. Zheng Hao, APNS Finance Secretary Mr. Shahab Zubairi, Dr. Tanveer C.E., Mr. Shamsi, Mr. Qazi Asad Abed, Mr. Yunus Meher, Mr. Athar Qazi, Mr. Qazi Sajjad Abbasi, Mr. M. Bilal Faruqi. Also present were Zahid H. Kirani, Mustafa Kirani, Yusuf Kirani, and officials from the consulate. The APNS
मैं
delegation
प्रेसिडेंट
thanked
साहब का
Mr.
बहुत
Yang
शुक्रगुजार हूँ
Yandong and
कि
his
उन्होंने
colleagues
आज मेरे
for
ऑनर
their
में
hospitality
इसके ऑनर में
and
यहाँ
allowed
दावत दी है और
field
मेरे ख्याल में
consulate
जितना
cuisine.
अच्छा चीनी कुजीन हमने यहाँ खाई है आज तक कहीं नहीं खाई. I'd like to thank the Consul General for his hospitality, for inviting us over to the Chinese Consulate and hosting us tonight. The food that we had tonight, the 7-course meal, I don't think I've ever had such great Chinese food anywhere in the world. And my compliments to the chef, and I'm extremely grateful to the Consul General once again.
Can you tell us about the bilateral relation, because CPEC is second phase started? उर्दू में कह देंगे आप.
पाकिस्तान और चीन के दरमियान जो रिश्ता है वो तकरीबन 70 साल से ज़ायद पुराना रिश्ता है. हमें एक किस्म के आहनी भाई, जब हम जाते हैं तो चीन में हमें कहा जाता है कि हम आयरन ब्रदर्स हैं, हम एक दूसरे के आहनी भाई हैं. जो रिश्ता इतना मजबूत है, लोहे की तरह वो मजबूत है, और उसको कोई उसके अंदर दरार नहीं डल सकती। जो सी पैक लॉन्च किया गया था वो सदर आसिफ अली जरदारी का विजन था, जिसके ऊपर उन्होंने इसको लॉन्च किया था और उसको फिर बाद में अगली हुकूमत जो आई नवाज शरीफ साहब के कि उसने भी उसको बहुत इफेक्टिवली इम्प्लीमेंट किया। और अब हम सेकंड फेज़ में दाखिल हो रहे हैं। साबिक वज़ीर ख़ारजा बिलावल भुट्टो साहब जब चीन गए उन्होंने इसके ऊपर ज़ोर दिया कि पाकिस्तान चीन की जो दोस्ती और ताल्लुकात हैं वो कितने अहम हैं और सी पैक पाकिस्तान की इक़्तिसादी तरक्की में क्या किरदार अदा कर रहा है और कितना अहम है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि जब सेकंड फेज़ शुरू हो रहा है वो भी पाकिस्तान की तरक्की में उतना ही मददगार साबित होगा जितना पहला फेज़ हुआ था, बल्कि शायद उससे ज़्यादा मददगार साबित हो, क्योंकि इस वक्त पाकिस्तान को ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है अपने आहनी दोस्त की। शुक्रिया।
And tonight is my good pleasure to host Senator and his colleague to our Council General, and we have a very good talking, and we share many views on bilateral issues, and also we have a Chinese dinner here, and I'm so glad that and the Senator and his friend, colleague, and our friends love Chinese food so much, and the food is a very important part of Chinese culture, and from the dinner, and we share a lot of the cultures, and also we learn from each other. And I'm glad to learn that APNS have a very close cooperation with Chinese media, and in the following period of time, and we hope that APNS can renew its cooperation agreement with Chinese and media associations. And we also hope that the CIP and the APNS can visit China and have more direct communication with the Chinese people, and to make more report on China, on Pakistan-China relations. And we do hope that APNS will play a more important role in this. I hope that and the Senator and will lead a delegation to China in the coming period of time. And also talk about the CPEC and with and common with corporations from China, Pakistan. We have made a lot of achievement in the first phase, and many areas, including the energy, connectivity, industrial, and some other areas. And now we are into the second phase of construction of CPEC, and we will focus more on the specific cooperation in agriculture, in the industry, in technology, and mining, and the people-to-people exchanges. And we hope that the cooperation of in CPEC construction will bring more concrete benefit to the people for both countries. And on this process, I also hope that the media, especially Pakistan media, will play more important roles to report the corporations and the stories in the CPEC constructions. And we are looking forward to that with the hard work of the two countries, and the CPEC will yield more concrete results.